Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a very hot day in Delhi and we are going out for shopping. I don't know how I've decided that, but yes, we are going. अभी मैं उठी हूँ, I'm having my coffee and also my breakfast and yeah, उसके बाद मैं तैयार होकर आपसे मिलती हूँ. Let's quickly take a shower. Shower is done. Now let's quickly get ready. Sunscreen, concealer, blush, It's 3:40 PM और मैं अब निकली हूँ घर से. It was not at all the plan. I thought कि मैं सुबह सुबह निकल जाऊँगी तो दोपहर तक घर आ जाऊँगी, but we could not do that. We are super late now. But anyways, it's okay. मुझे कॉल आ रहा है, रुको. मैं इतनी देर से आप लोगों से बातें कर रही थी, but my mic was not on and I don't think कोई आवाज़ गई है फ़ोन में. But here we are again. So basically I was saying कि मार्केट में इतना अच्छा समर कलेक्शन आया हुआ है and I have not checked it out yet. I really wanted to do that since so long. And since Pacific Mall is like just 10 minutes away from my nanny's place, that's why मैं यहाँ से जा रही हूँ, because अपने घर से आना तो is like a task. So yeah, I think मैं पहुँच गई. I'm not sure. हाँ, यहीं पे उतार दो. It did not even take me 10 minutes. Like मैं बस 5 मिनट में पहुँच गई हूँ. Scanner दिखा दो भैया. Oh my god, it's like so crowded today. इतना crowded तो मैंने expect ही नहीं किया था. It's like full of people and I don't know if I'll like really be able to explore and shop much. It's so hot, so hot. ऐसे गर्मी चुभ रही है मुझे. Okay, so I've picked up some stuff, but collection is not that nice. I really like the basics, so मैंने basics ही उठाए हैं. I'll show you what all I've picked and then let's choose what all to buy. Okay, so firstly this light pink top. I don't know if you can see the color, but it's light pink in color. It's very body hugging to me and I just feel that this type of neckline makes my arms look fatter. I don't know, I just don't like it. Okay, so just ignore the shoe situation here because I'm so scared if someone enters, because Zara has literally just these curtains. Okay, so this skirt I'm not really sure if I like it. मतलब मेरे आर्म्स इसमें थोड़े फैट लग रहे हैं. आई फील कि अगर कोई और नेक लाइन में वो पतले लग सकते हैं तो वाई नॉट वेयर दैट. सो लेट्स सी. बट आई रियली लाइक द वाइट कलर एंड यू नो द काइंड ऑफ मटेरियल दिस टॉप हैज़. बहुत थिक है ये और बहुत अच्छा है एंड most of the brands do not offer it, so I really like that. Okay, so now we have these balloon bottoms. I mean, they are not properly balloon, but really like these. I don't know why, but these are for 2500 rupees. A little expensive and they are a little see-through. वो बस बहुत ढीला effect है इनका and that's why they don't seem to be see-through. but अगर मैं इसको थोड़ा भी tight होता है तो ये बिल्कुल see-through material है. So I'm not really sure, but I really like these beaded detailing on the straps. मैं ज़ारा में घुसी हूँ and मैं बोल रही हूँ ये एक्सपेंसिव है. oh my god, यहाँ के लिए तो ये चीप है. 2500 is what? यहाँ पे तो चीज़ें ही 5-6,000 से स्टार्ट होती है. so I don't know, but I really like these. Next is this top. मुझे बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं आई है, so I'm gonna change. अगेन खर्चा करने का टाइम आ गया है because I really love this top. मुझे टॉप बहुत पसंद आ रही है. Also this as a pair looks so comfy and like so good. I really love it. मतलब ये कलर मुझ पे इतना खिल के आ रहा है that I love the fact कि मुझ पे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है and it's so comfortable.
I was literally yapping here, but my mic decided to stop. So basically, मैं बोल रही थी that I really love this top on me, and the pants are also so stylish and trendy. But the only problem is कि ये see through है. I know you cannot see it on the camera, but ये सच में see through था, so I skipped buying it. उसके बाद this cord set, I loved it so much. This looked perfect on me, but I was not sure कि मैं top का इतना use कर पाऊँगी या नहीं. So I just thought of buying the pants because they looked like super chic. Next is top, जो कि literally इतनी ज़्यादा famous है on the internet. Everyone has it, so I'm not buying it now. These pants were actually really comfortable, but not my style, so I skipped again. My search finally came to an end because I found the perfect white tank top, and yes, I definitely had to buy it. So ये तो मैंने खरीद ली. Coming to the shorts, I felt they were too short for me. I did not know कि मैं इसको कहाँ पहन पाऊँगी. They actually looked like the night suit shorts. So again, I skipped these. I hated this top, so no to this as well. I really wanted balloon pants और ये मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी. Trying this self-checkout process for the first time, and it was actually so much fun and easy. That's about it. See you in the next vlog. Bye.